Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will do this important question in profit, loss and discount, and this is for class 8. I have taken this question from Selena, which is for ICSE, लेकिन CBSE के बच्चे and students from other boards can also refer to this question because profit, loss and discount तो common topic है. It is common for all the boards. Okay, so let's start. A boy buys an old bicycle for rupees 162 and spends rupees 18 on its repairs before selling the bicycle for rupees 207. Find his gain or loss as percent. ठीक है? A boy buys an old bicycle for rupees 162. Now buys means what? CP. Okay, purchased or buys means CP. So CP of old bicycle is given. ठीक है? So CP of द बाइसाइकिल. ओके, सबसे पहले जो भी क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है स्टार्ट राइटिंग इट डाउन. जो भी गिवन डेटा है एक एक सेंटेंस में उसे लिख लो सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या दिया है. सो CP ऑफ द बाइसाइकिल इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 162. He spends rupees 18 on its repairs. Now whatever extra expenses हम लोग आर्टिकल लेने के बाद whatever extra expenses we incur that will be added to the cost price. ये हमने spend किया है उसके रिपेयर के लिए. So ये जो 18 rupees है this will be added to your cost price. Okay, so amount spent on repair equal to rupees 18. Okay, so your total CP is now, total CP is this 18 will get added to this, so 162 plus 18, so this is equal to rupees, so this is rupees 180. ठीक है, ये हो गया total CP. He sells the bicycle for rupees 207. So SP of the cycle, SP of the cycle equal to rupees 207. Now we have to find his gain or loss percent. So पहले gain या loss है, सबसे पहले वो find करेंगे. तो CP कितना है 180, SP is 207, so SP is greater than CP. Now when your selling price is greater than the cost price, it is a profit or gain. Okay, so gain is SP minus CP. So this is equal to SP is 207 minus CP is 180. Okay, so this is rupees 720 minus 18 2. So this is rupees 27. So gain हो गया. We have to find gain or loss as percent. So gain percent is, gain or loss percent is always calculated on CP. So gain percent is, what is the formula? Gain upon CP into 100%. Okay, you have to write the formula. Formula is important. Formula लिखने के लिए marks होता है. So gain is 27. Okay, now CP, what is the total CP? 180. So CP is 180 into 100. So this is equal to 0 0 गया. This is 9 3s are 6 3s are 3 3s are 2 3s are, and इसको भी काटेंगे 5 5 3s are 15. Okay, so gain, his gain percent, so his gain is 15%. Okay, so I hope you understood the question. So सबसे पहले read the question properly. He buys an old bicycle for rupees 162. That means CP of the bicycle is 162. He is spending 18 on its repairs. So amount spent on repairs rupees 18. So total CP will be 162 plus 18, which is rupees 180. Then he sells the bicycle for rupees 207. So SP of the cycle is 207. Now since SP is greater than CP, it is a gain which is given by SP minus CP. 207 minus 180, 27. Now gain percent is gain upon CP into 100%. So 27 upon 180 into 100. Do the calculation. So 15 हो गया. So his gain is 15%. So I hope you understood all the steps clearly. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.